This secret website I'm about to show you has many Android TV applications that you can install to your Android TV, and I'm going to show you how. Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I talk about Android TVs and how to install certain applications that can improve your experience on your Android TV. So if you have an Android TV and you are looking for ways to install certain applications, in the YouTube channel is for you. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you a secret website in which you can install many Android TV applications from. So make sure to stick right up to the end. And if you like this video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and if there's something you want to ask me, drop it in the comment section. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So as I said, I'm going to be showing you a website in this video in which you can install many TV applications. So I'm going to show you the website, how to get about to the website, and how to install applications from this website. So please make sure to watch right up to the end. Now the website I'm about to show you can work on any browser, but once you're browsing on your Android TV, the best place to use to install application is using Downloader. Now Downloader works as your browser, and Downloader works as also an option to download other applications. So the reason I'm using Downloader here is because it's very easy to install applications or browse on certain websites using Downloader. So if you already have Downloader on your Android TV, you can go ahead and open Downloader. If you don't have Downloader, then please follow attentively. So for me to go over the Downloader, I already have Downloader on my Android TV, but I just want to quickly show you how to install Downloader to your Android TV. So if you have Play Store, just go over to your Play Store and search for it. If you don't have Play Store, go over to your browser. Any browser that you will have on your Android TV will do the work. So you go over to your browser, and what you do is just go ahead and search Downloader. Now, no, I already have Downloader on my Android TV. I just want to show you how to install it if you don't have it. If you already have Downloader, please just keep the video to where I talk about the website. So here's how to install Downloader. You come to your browser and you search for it, and then you're going to have an option like this. So this is the Downloader option. Now the reason I'm using my browser again is because I don't have the Google Play Store application on my Android TV. So I have to go over to the browser and I search for it here, and then it's going to bring me an option like this in which I can go ahead and install Downloader. So that's why I am using the browser. So once you go over to your browser, you search, it's going to come and with an option like this, and you can go ahead and install Downloader to your Android TV. Once you're done installing, just go ahead and open. Now here's Downloader, and here's how mine looks like. So Downloader works with codes. If you have a code to an application, or a code to a website, or a code to a file on the internet that somebody's hosting, you can type in the code here and just go ahead and install or download the particular file. But in this case, we're going to be using Downloader to browse using a website that I'm about to show you. So this website I'm talking about, let me just go ahead and type the website here. So once you install Downloader, just go over here and you type the website, and the website is drventure.com. So this is the name or the domain to the website. So once you go over to your Downloader, you just go ahead and type in drventure.com. Once you type in that, you just go ahead and click OK or go. Now this is going to lead us to the website I'm referring to, which is a website that you can use on your Android TV to install lots of applications. This is how it looks like. Now I'll admit this is not the best looking website, but honestly it is going to do the job. And I just want to say cheers to the creator of this website. He is Dr. Venture. You can check it out on YouTube by just searching Dr. Venture. So once you go over here, this is how it looks like. So here's the creator of this website. You can check it out on YouTube. So as I said, this website has lots of applications that you can install. As you can see, these are various categories. There's VPN, there's that. You can scroll through all of these to see all the applications that are here. You can also go to the shop. But now what we're interested in is apps. One, the apps in this website, and how we can install them to our Android TV. So for instance, once you come over here, you just browse through. As you see, these are different categories of applications. You can see these are various categories. So video games to download for the emulators, there is this, and then there is download that application that you can install from here. You see, these are various categories. There is movies and TV, there's live stream, there's media player, there are lots of different categories you can choose. So for instance, you're looking for an application under media players, you just have to go over here and click media players. Now I could go ahead and show you all the categories. On YouTube, there's some certain applications I cannot show. So once you go over to the website yourself, you can take out your time to browse through or explore all the different categories that are here. So I'm just going to show a safe category like this one, and as you can see here, the various applications here. Now, take note, I can install an application here just for example's sake. For instance, if I want to install the application, but before I install an application, I want you to see these applications are updated this year, so they're lastly modified this year. So this is one thing good about this website, because these applications are updated recently. Now once you go over here to install an application, is simple. Just come out to the option of the application. For instance, I want to install an application like ARM player. I just come over here and I click on it once. And the reason I use downloader because once you click on the application once using downloader like this, it start downloading, and that's why please it's better for you to use downloader while browsing on this website than any other website. So once you click the application, it's going to download as you've seen on my Android TV, and they can go ahead and install. Now I already have this application on my Android TV, so they're asking me to update instead. So if I want to install, once you install, you can just go ahead and delete the application from the Android TV. You can install any other application. For instance, if I want to install HB player, for instance, here's it over here. I just go over to it and I click download. You see, this website is very good for us Android TV users. Just click on download and I wait for you to download. Now, just to add, please, while browsing websites like this, it is very important for you to use a VPN, because a VPN is going to keep you secure on the internet and make sure that your information is not stolen by hackers on the internet. So please use a VPN. In the description of this video, I have added a VPN that you can use to browse on the internet with your Android TV. So you can check it out. If you love it, please subscribe and start using it. If you don't love it, please check other options on the internet that you can use to install on the internet. So there is a problem with this link, so that's why every link has two options. You can go to the next and try it out. So please make sure you're using a VPN so that you don't have any issues on the internet. So that's it. So you can install any applications here. As you see, there are different options. There is media players, there is movie and TV, there's streaming, there's live TVs, and lots of other applications that you can install from this website. It's a very interesting website. As you can see, you just go over here, and once it's downloaded, and go ahead and install the Android TV. Okay, this application is not compatible to my Android TV, so please choose an application that's compatible with your Android TV from this website. There are lots of other options they can install from this website to your Android TV. So if you found the video helpful, please, you know what to do: like and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions you want to ask me, please drop them in the comment section and I'll make sure to read through. And if you need a video, you can ask me in the comment section. There are lots of different categories that you can click to install here. So that's it about this video, and this is a website that you should have. If you want to keep this website in mind, please, once you cover the downloader, go out to these three dots here. I can add this current page to favorite so that you can come to it anytime without having to type the name of the website. That's it about the video. See you next time.